So Holger, it seems like everybody in the business community right now is talking about artificial intelligence. Some are calling it AI, some are calling it machine learning. There are a lot of different terms. How do you approach it, and what do you think we should be talking about for HCM customers?
Yeah, it's really an evolution from what we call predictive analytics or prescriptive analytics to machine learning or AI. I think we're at the machine learning level right now. AI is more of a buzzword. What really matters to business users is that the software does what they want to do, learns from them, delights them with things which don't scare them, are not creepy, but are something which you think, this makes sense. This is really helpful for my business. I'll be done faster with what I'm supposed to do here.
So as they're talking about, AI is about to revolutionize business or revolutionize HR, do you have any examples that you've heard so far of customers thinking in that direction?
Yeah, it's interesting for everybody, and the big concern is that people are afraid of what is the AI going to do to me. If you think about the real business setting, lots of decisions are handed down to business people, usually even email. And it's interesting that we right away have a search about what came down the email and say, great ideas, stupid ideas, never going to work, here they go again, right? So if that comes in an email from the top, or if it comes from an AI system, I think at the current levels, at the beginnings of AI, business people have a good feeling of judging, this is going to be reasonable, I want to follow that, that's valuable, or rubbish, it doesn't work, right? We see this with the assistants, right? We know which assistants work on our smartphones and which ones are more of an amusement factor. And customers are really looking to it. What we're really seeing, I call it digital transformation 2.0, not the current digital transformation where we're moving existing business process more into digital, but where we're taking the know-how from our head, which has manifested itself in digital manifests and digital artifacts, and AI makes sense out of them, delighting us doing the right thing.
So if AI starts to kind of take over that brain space that I have, what do I still do then? Where's the difference between what AI does and what I do as a manager?
Augment the humanity, right? So you can do more things, you can do more managing work more around, you have more time to spend on stuff, you can learn more, you can coach your team more, you can mentor more. There's more time for quality things, which right now are really caught into nitty-gritty, manual, administrative, repetitive things, which nobody really enjoys.
That's definitely true. So if I'm thinking about AI, and I'm going to have maybe an AI initiative in my organization, where would you tell me to start?
Well, look at the things which are doable, because the worst thing is that you have an AI initiative where everybody says, oh, it's like one of those smartphone assistants which have only entertainment value and don't really get something done. You don't want to have it, especially at the start of such a promising, revolutionizing technology which is around the corner. You want to do something which is successful, which can be done, and which delights users, where they're saying, wow, how did the system know this of me? Well, I don't care how it knew it for me, because it really helped me to get my work done.
Got it. So now if I'm thinking futures, not just where I go now, what's your favorite thing that you think AI is going to bring to the business user?
Do my work. Right? That's the ultimate hope, but we're hopefully a few years away from that, right? But it's really take away those routine, mundane tasks which are really no value added. And sometimes people, I think it's going to be culturally interesting, because we take a certain level of comfort as human beings because we're creatures of habit, right? Some of those habits will go away and we have to form new habits. So it's exciting from a perspective, and we have to be ready to do new things, new experience, and change our personal best practices as well. And that's what AI enables us to do.
That sounds great. Can't wait for it.
Me too.